They are going to hold a sacrificial fire tomorrow. Sacrificial means it's called a home. We don't sacrifice anything. We put all these herbs in it now. It's supposed to purify the environment, and that is why they are preparing for tomorrow's puja now. All these flowers have been bought with that in mind. They are making garlands. They are decorating the palanquin. They are decorating the house where the Lord will be placed. The home will be performed in another place. They are not his footprints. He has lived.
He's the saint.
He is the saint called Purnananda Maharaj. This ashram or temple was built to revere him, and a god, the idol of God Vishnu has been installed. You know, he is a devotee of Vishnu. That's why. You can see the young priest walking around. Did you see to the right? Have you taken him? Have you taken him? He is in his uniform, priestly uniform. He has pants underneath it. His school pants. He obviously goes to school and is working as a volunteer here as a priest. All these are decorations. They will decorate this. The puja that will be performed tomorrow is called Satya Narayan Puja. Satya means truth. 1,000 names of Vishnu. What is Narayan? So tomorrow a small idol of Vishnu will be put in a copper plate, which will be installed inside this structure, and he will be worshipped with 1,000 tulsi leaves, a group of tulsi leaves, the head of the tulsi stem, with 1,000 tulsi stems, and every time his name is chanted, one stem will be put on that idol. There are 1,000 names of Sri Vishnu which are chanted in this particular prayer. It is called Satya Narayan prayer. And after that, prasad will be distributed. The prasad is Shira for the Satya Narayan prayer. And of course, holy water. And many Satya Narayans are simultaneous. Newly married couples or couples who want to offer their thanks. It's a thanksgiving for having blessed us and things. So there are many sitting in a room, and one priest will say the puja. Boy, are we lucky today. We'd have been luckier tomorrow, but at least this, we can see the preparations. On other days, this place would be very peaceful. Today, there's a lot of noise going on. And these are the names of people who are on the committee and who are some donors. There are big people who have given huge donations to this place, so they are thanked in this way. They told him you close your mouth, otherwise. Please speak English, don't worry. They all work.
The students are there.
These are students. America, California. त्यांना म्हटलं तुमच्याच कॅलिफोर्नियामध्ये ह्या गावाच्या खालूनचे हजारो शेकडो लोक असतात.
Signal will not. कर्नाटकात विद्यार्थी शिकलेला आहे.
जाऊन आलाय तुम्ही होता. They left now for pujas, and they have to outsource the priests also.
And so where in Canada?
Yeah, Canada.
Do you know where in Canada?
Where? Canada kutte?
I don't know where is that place.
What was it?
I don't know where is that.
You don't know?
Yeah.
But he already speaks English, don't worry. Every child in this country, at least in this state, who goes to school speaks English. Whether that is good or bad, you decide. See, that is God Datta, you know him. Then these are the gatekeepers of this temple. That is the idol of Vishnu. This is the first Vishnu temple we have come to. There are very few Vishnu temples in this place. This is one of them. Now, although this temple belongs to the Saraswats, everybody comes here. समाधी आहे. हां, मी पहिल्यांदाच आली इथे. म्हणजे आतमध्ये आलेली, बाहेर आलेली आहे ना. Made out of the Panchadhatu, that is those 5 metals. And that is Sant Jnaneshwar behind him with long hair in marble. Jnaneshwaras, okay? They Jnaneshwaras. You know, in memorial to this Swami, there is one head of this.
Meaning of Sanjivani, you know, he has to tell himself that he is going to die at a certain time. When that by yoga, it goes, the life goes out of his head, upper side. So that is called. So he goes in that pit. It is dark. The pit is dark. He goes in the pit.
Himself.
The whole pit is closed. There are only 2 small holes are kept there. One for the air to come out, and one for some kind of liquid.
He's telling us about the
Water release actually going through his nose. It has to go. The moment that liquid stops going, you have to understand that he has left his abode. But he's alive.
But
he has left through yoga.
He is not. He's not
buried. He himself has told that he has to go.
He is not actually dead. He has entered everlasting life.
And this you can experience when you stay here for some time. You can experience that actually. His presence is felt.
You are here for how many years?
I have been coming here from 1964.
And you stay there?
I stay here.
Yeah.
But I live in Bombay. I come and go. 15-20 days I am here.
Those are his sandals?
Pardon?
Those are his sandals?
Yes.
He used them when he was alive. How long ago did
This is about 278 years.
80 years
280
ago?
years. 280.
280.
It's a very old part, you see, actually.
208.
80.
80.
Here, powerfully, very powerful. You can easily understand. Means, if you have any faith in him, that is important. Especially faith, if it's not there, then you will never experience.
That is accepted.
But then, here, if you want to experience that.
Really nice.
He सुपाऱ्या कशाला लावल्या?
This is something auspicious that we will put, no?
What is he doing with it?
What is he doing there? See, the god of rain is worshipped in this way. This is a brand new copper vessel. It is going to be covered with thread now in a particular formation, and it will be invested as Lord Varun in tomorrow's puja. If water will be filled in it, he is the water god, or the rain god rather. I had written in one email to you the gods of rain, so he is one of them, the main one, Varun. And
For tomorrow's puja.
will you plant them again or they'll
No.
be-
We don't.
पण पोचलेलं पण वापरतात नाही केळ पोचलेलं केळ पण वापरतात
आम्ही तसंच आणलेलं आहे ना ते एकदम डायरेक्ट
हां युजली
काही लोक घेऊन जातात ते
हां येस सम पीपल टेक देम एज प्रसाद अँड गो अँड प्लांट देम इन देयर गॉर्डन्स
Ooh, look at that.
येस हवन ह्याच्यात होणार ना ह्या कुंडात
टेक इट फ्रॉम हिअर म्हणून का म्हटलं नाही नुसतं कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर नाही ॲक्च्युअली मेंटेन ग्रीनरी यू कॅन फाइंड दॅट इज थ्रू आउट द इयर दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट हे बघा हे सगळं हे परत चौफेर तुम्हाला सगळं
हे कोणाला कर्नाटक
नाही ॲक्च्युली इकडचेच आहे सेडणे म्हणून एक गाव आहे ते केंद्र होतं सेडणे म्हणून इथे वेचोराच्या जवळ वेचोराच्या जवळ इकडे म्हणजे आता ट्रेक अशी आहे यांचे जे शिष्य होते पाणी आणि 2-3 नाव दिसतो